What was the last thing you searched for online? A recipe for dinner, or maybe the score from last night's game? Whatever it was, you were part of this massive daily digital ritual. Take a look at this number, 8.5 billion. That's how many times people hit search on Google every single day. And if you want your business to even show up in that conversation, you've got to understand that the rules of the game are being completely rewritten as we speak. The key to winning that game has been SEO, search engine optimization. It's the art and science of getting your website seen. Now there's a new player on the field that's challenging everything we thought we knew, artificial intelligence. Which brings us to the one question that is probably keeping a lot of marketers and business leaders up at night. Is AI killing SEO? Is it really possible that in 5 or 10 years, this entire discipline just won't exist anymore? So to really get a handle on where SEO is going, we have to look at where it's been. And what you find isn't some slow, steady march forward. It's a dramatic evolution, one that's been put on hyperdrive by the rise of AI. This marks a huge shift from just playing by a set of technical rules to mastering the game of human understanding. See, back in the day, SEO was all about matching the exact keyword someone typed into the search bar and then collecting as many links as you could to prove you were important. It was pretty rigid, very technical, but AI has totally flipped the script. Now the focus is on something way more sophisticated, figuring out what a user really wants, their intent, and giving them a personalized experience. And this right here is the absolute breakthrough. Thanks to things like natural language processing, AI can understand context, nuance, and the relationship between different words. It lets search engines go way beyond the literal thing you typed in to understand the question behind the question. It's the difference between just getting a list of websites and getting a direct, accurate answer. Okay, so what does this look like in the real world? Because this isn't just some theory. Google's Search Generative Experience, or SGE, is the perfect example. Instead of just seeing that list of 10 blue links, you now get an AI-generated summary right at the very top of the page. It means that people can get their answer without ever having to click on a single website, which forces companies to completely rethink how they grab your attention. When you boil it all down, AI's impact really comes down to 3 revolutionary changes. First, it's like having a superpowered research assistant uncovering what your audience is really asking. Second, it's an incredible content creation engine helping you produce high quality, relevant stuff at scale that you couldn't imagine doing before. And third, it's basically a crystal ball helping you predict market trends before they even happen. And believe me, a whole ecosystem of tools have popped up to make this all possible. You've got platforms like Ahrefs and SEMrush using AI to give you these deep insights into what users want. Then you have tools like Surfer SEO and ChatGPT helping businesses create that hyper-relevant content at speed and scale that just a few years ago would have seemed like science fiction. Now, with all this talk about automation and AI and data, it's really easy to wonder, hey, is there even a place for people in SEO anymore? And the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, in this new era, the human element is more critical than ever. And I think this quote just nails it perfectly. This isn't a battle of AI versus humans. It's all about the powerful synergy you get between the two. The whole goal is to combine the incredible data crunching precision of AI with those uniquely human things like creativity, strategic thinking, and empathy. SEO is not dead, not even close, but it is being completely reborn. The core mission, to connect with your audience by being visible, that's going to stay. But the methods, the tools, the strategies, they're all being transformed by artificial intelligence. Adapting to this new world isn't just about staying current. This is about driving real, tangible growth for your business. A modern AI-powered SEO strategy is an engine. It's an engine for attracting the right traffic, generating higher quality leads, and it can even be a critical piece of the puzzle for securing investment. Here's a simple 3-step framework to help you navigate this new era. First, you have to use AI tools to really understand the why behind every search. Don't just look at keywords, dig into customer reviews, see what people are saying on forums, find their real problems. Second, create content that directly solves that why. And third, you have to align that whole strategy with your main business goals to drive results you can actually measure. The future of search isn't about outsmarting some algorithm anymore. It's about better understanding people. SEO is evolving, for sure. The only real question left is your strategy. If you like this video, hit subscribe and stay tuned because we've got more great things coming your way.